but my van door was completely rusted out. It's a lot worse than what it looks. It actually, behind the plastic cladding, it was gone, and there was no way of fixing it. Passenger vans are rare, so I had to buy a cargo van door, cut out the metal for a window. Sprinter vans are notorious for rust, and even the replacement door I bought had issues, but not as bad as my original door. Under the plastic cladding, there was rust under both edges and a hole in the middle. All this had to be ground out and new metal welded in. One of the corners was completely missing and had to be refabricated. As far as I was able, I did my best to clean out the rust and corrosion that was inside the door. I'm not sure why this is in slow motion, but here I'm getting ready to paint the last coat on the door. Here's my brother helping me get the window ready to glue onto the freshly painted door. And here's the completed door. It turned out quite well, not perfect, but 1000% better than what it was before. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I can't imagine what it would have cost if I had to pay a professional to do this.